Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert page number in Google Docs from specific page. So let's dive into it. Open your Google Docs document. Click on the page where you want the page numbers to start. Click on Insert in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select Header and Page Number. Choose either Header or Footer, depending on where you want the page number to appear. Click on More Options. Select Page Numbers. In the Page Numbers dialog box, you will find several options. In Numbering section, check the circle before the Start At option and enter the page number from which you want the page numbering to start. Click Apply to insert the page numbers starting from the specified page. And that's how you can insert page numbers in Google Docs starting from a specific page. It's a useful feature for documents like reports and essays. There you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.